Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix half sword error out of video memory error trying to allocate a rendering resources. Make sure your video card has the minimum required memory. Try lowering the resolution and or closing other application that are running. So if you're getting this out of video memory error in half sword game, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam. Go to library, right click on half sword game and then select properties. Now in the launch option type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If that doesn't work, then again go to game properties and this time type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. This has also fixed the problem for several users, so I hope this will work for you as well. If still your problem is not solved, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next thing you can do, click on play button and when you are on this screen, click on settings, go to display and change the DirectX to DirectX12 and save it. Restart the game to apply the changes and then check. If that doesn't work, then you can change to DX11, save the changes and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description, and once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install button, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you install option, then click on install and install it, and then just restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and reinstall it, and then you can launch the game and check. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you are on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card version over here, then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, the latest version is 591.86. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewalls. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open half sword folder, and then select this half sword UE5 exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Open the half sword UE5 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this half sword UE5 Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open half sword folder. Now select this half sword UE5 exe file, then click on open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Again click on browse, open half sword UE5 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this half sword UE5 Win64 shipping exe file and then click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark, and then click OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later, you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 5 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on half sword game, select manage, and then click on browse local files. Now it will open the game installation folder. First double click this half sword UE5 and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on it and then select run as administrator and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then open the half sword UE5 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now double click half sword UE5 Win64 shipping exe file and launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here. Check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 from drop down, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open half sword folder, open half sword UE5 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select half sword UE5 Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. Now look for it. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference select high performance and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on half sword game, select properties, go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on half sword game, select properties and disable this. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. After disabling it, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to delete the half sword saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress as well as saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, open local folder and then here look for the half sword folder. Here it is, half sword UE5. Right click on it, copy it first, go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall the game. So simply uninstall the half sword game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the half sword game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix out of video memory error in half sword game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.